Cameren Jackson here. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video for my fitness journey channel. Yay! The hardest thing to do is to start something, including this channel. And starting our fitness journey, I have been going to the gym for 3 years now, and my weight... Uber, right? My weight has been fluctuating. I'm sure some of you have experienced this, or some of you are very consistent. Congratulations to you. But I'm trying to focus on consistency with you guys and actually enjoying this health journey. We want to enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, right? I'm not a certified trainer. I'm not a certified nutritionist. So just take things that I say as a grain of salt. Do your own research. Talk to your doctor, your physician, your nutrition, your personal trainer, because I'm just showing you what I'm doing to reduce my weight. Who am I? I'm an actress, model, stunt woman, musician trying to get into shape. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get our fitness on. Starting this fitness journey, what got me through those gym doors was wearing something cute. At least you know at the gym that you're going to the gym looking super cute. All right, let's get into our outfit. 3, 2. Let's get into our outfit. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You ready? Bring your water and let's go. First, I'd like to congratulate you for getting inside the gym. I'm not joking. I would sit in the car when I first started and mentally check out and just go back home. So good job getting inside, and now do your cardio 20 minutes at least, the stairs, the bike, the treadmill, whatever you can do to get the heart racing and get you to start sweating. Smile, you just did one of the hardest parts, cardio. A few months ago, I was not a fan. Next, we're gonna do Slimmer Legs in 10 Days by Lily Sabri. Don't forget to tighten that core and have your weight at the heels of your feet. We are going to do each exercise for 50 seconds. Whew, if you feel the burn, that means it's working. The next exercise targets the inner thighs. I don't know about you, but I was so sick and tired of my legs chafing when I walked. Do not be afraid to take breaks. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like an ab workout video or even a stretching video. Last but not least, cardio! Yes, I know, but we gotta do it. Start with 5 sprints, 20 seconds each. And don't forget to stretch afterwards. Follow my Reddit. The link is in the description, and I want you guys to update me on your progress. I want us to work together on building this fitness journey. I want you guys to join this journey with me, because I know if we have a community base, it'll influence people to keep going, to be consistent. We need to be liable, have accountability for what we eat and who we work out with. It's just a fun time to have a community base. Also, you will get a shout out if you like this video and share it and follow me on Instagram. Send me a screenshot, Instagram at cam.jck. Send it to me and I will shout you out. When I started my fitness journey, I got most of my gym clothes from Gymshark and Etch. So get you some nice running shoes from Nike, Adidas, or even Asics, and let's put it on. Let's follow me to the gym. First, let's snap into get our outfit. Don't even speak American, guys. It's all in your head. It's all in your head.